Oh no, this hair ain't right. Let's fix it. Oh hey, make sure that if you're not subscribed, you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. And now that that's out the way, we need to fix this hair. This hair looks crazy. It looks all dry and tangled. This hair is only like a week old, but we're gonna get it right. And today I'm actually going to be doing some mini twists. How long is it gonna take me? I don't know. We shall see, but let's just get straight into it. So for today's video, I'm actually just going to be using some water, my wide tooth comb, my rat tail comb, my Denman brush, and Miche's hydrating and twisting butter. This and the leave-in conditioner, and of course their hair oil is all I have in my hair. I didn't want to add new product to my hair, just because I don't like mixing products like that. So I'm just gonna keep it simple, start off with the bottom and work my way to the top. So I'll definitely skip some parts. Mini twist, I'm only gonna 2-strand twist. They're the fastest. I think the hardest part right now will just be parting because I'm already struggling to part this area down here, which seems like it's still braided. The struggle. Wow. Okay, so now that I have that done, I am going to split this bottom in half and just start mini twisting. Starting off by wetting each section of my hair. Not a lot of water, but just a little bit. I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to just get the tangles out. The big tangles, I would say, if I have any at all. Going to use a little bit of that twisting butter and just adding that on top. Again, a lot of product is not needed because I already have product in my hair from earlier this week. Now, going in with the Denman brush, this is how I really make sure that I have zero tangles. The wide tooth comb is great for big tangles, but the Denman brush really gets all the little ones. And now it's just time to mini twist. 2-strand twist in very small sections. And at this point, I'm just like, just because I know it's really gonna take a while and I have a lot of hair and my hair is growing, so it's longer. Now we'll just see how far I can go before I have to step outside, because I will have to go outside like this. But I'm very secure with myself, so I go out how I go out. I'm not stressing about, oh, my hair looks crazy. I'm not that type. Beautiful. Okay. Now this is a mini twist right here. Woof. So with this hairstyle, I'm definitely not making sure that each section has the same amount of hair. I'm definitely just freestyling this look, but I'm making sure that each section is significantly smaller than how I normally twist my hair. So we shall see. Ooh. Beautiful. And at this point, you will just see me twisting up different sections of my hair. Just like I said, I will be skipping some, fast forwarding some, just so that you don't have to sit there and watch the entire process over and over and over. But I definitely wanted you to get a feel for how my hair was coming along as I twisted it. As you can see, I have a lot of small ones. Some of them look a little thicker And that's just because, again, I was just taking different sections of hair, but also keeping in mind that I wanted them all to be significantly smaller, just like this one. This is the point where I had to go out and run errands, so I just bunned up the top, and let me show you what the back looks like. Very moisturized, very elongated because they were still damp. But let's just get these twists done off camera and show you what they look like. And this is the finished look. I have a whole lot of twists in my hair. Clearly this side is a little longer, and so is this side, more so because of the way I styled it. I did this side first, which is why you can already see all that shrinkage, and this side is clearly still wet and air drying. The back is definitely on the short end because I did that first, went out, ran errands and all that good stuff, and then came back and I just finished my hair. But the definition is there. I love how it came out. I have a lot of twists and they're small. They are small. They're just expanding now, but I have a lot of small twists in my hair. I love this style. I hope that this style can last me at least 2 weeks. We shall see. In between that, you will see me posting different videos. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so that you never miss another video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. With that being said, if you like this style, if you've tried this style, if you are into protective styles, if you would try this style and just take it down after a few days to give you bomb definition and a lot of volume, make sure that you leave a comment down below. Peace and love. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I appreciate your support, and I will catch you next time.